Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, the iPhone could not be restored and unknown error occurred 1601. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try, just tap on Apple logo here, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So this is the first way. Another way you can also try is just download the original software for your iPhone. So don't use custom firmware for restoring your iPhone, because mostly it helps this error caused by using custom firmware for your iPhone. So just download original firmware and just try to download to install it on your iPhone. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.